how growth can be made inclusive? By focusing on three essential elements. One is providing employment, removing poverty. By providing employment, you can remove poverty, and by this mechanism, you can also overcome the concept of inequalities. You can overcome inequalities. So employment is created, poverty is removed, inequalities is removed. As a result, you will find equal societies. Equality is ensured. So when there is equality, ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఉంటే పావర్టీ తగ్గిపోతుంది, పావర్టీ తగ్గితే ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ తగ్గుతాయి, ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ తగ్గితే మళ్ళీ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. అగైన్ దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఏ సైకిల్ లైక్ దిస్. సో దిస్ సైకిల్ ఈస్ ఏ వర్చుయస్ సైకిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్లూజివ్ గ్రోత్. This cycle is virtuous cycle of inclusive growth. This cycle is going to be a virtuous cycle of inclusive growth. Virtuous cycle of inclusive growth. But if government is not giving this, if government is not focusing on this, there will be unemployment, this will rise to poverty, and this will rise to inequalities, and in this inequality further leads to unemployment. As a result, you will have a cycle, you will have another cycle here which will be rotating again and again, and that cycle is a vicious cycle. Virtue opposite vice, vicious cycle. When vicious cycle happens, when inclusive growth is not present, that is when the growth is exclusive growth. When the growth is not inclusive, then exclusive growth happens. Growth una inclusive lekapothe exclusive growth avuthundi.